7. Costly oil change. Mistakes that ruin your engine fast. Are you unknowingly shortening your engine's lifespan with simple oil change errors? Many car owners make these mistakes, costing them thousands in repairs. Let's dive into the common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Using the incorrect oil viscosity or specification is a recipe for disaster. Your engine is designed to operate with a specific oil type, outlined in your owner's manual. Deviating from this can lead to poor lubrication and increased wear. Always consult your owner's manual or a reliable oil guide to determine the correct oil for your vehicle. Using the wrong oil can cause sludge buildup, reduced fuel economy, and even engine failure. The oil filter is crucial for removing contaminants from your engine oil. Neglecting to replace it during an oil change defeats the purpose of using fresh oil. A clogged filter restricts oil flow, starving your engine of vital lubrication. Always replace the oil filter with every oil change. Choose a high-quality filter that meets or exceeds the manufacturer's specifications. A clean filter ensures optimal oil flow and protects your engine from harmful particles. Stripping the threads on your oil pan or causing leaks are common consequences of improper drain plug torque. Over-tightening can damage the oil pan, while under-tightening leads to oil leaks and potential engine damage. Use a torque wrench to tighten the drain plug to the manufacturer's specified torque. If you don't have a torque wrench, tighten it snugly but avoid excessive force. Always use a new crush washer to ensure a proper seal. Too much oil can be just as bad as not enough. Overfilling can cause the crankshaft to churn the oil, creating air bubbles and reducing its lubricating properties. This can lead to increased oil pressure and potential seal damage. Always check the oil level using the dipstick after adding oil. Fill to the full mark, but avoid exceeding it. If you accidentally overfill, drain the excess oil until the level is correct. A dry oil filter can cause a brief period of oil starvation when you start the engine after an oil change. Priming the filter ensures that it's filled with oil before the engine starts, providing immediate lubrication. Before installing the new oil filter, pour a small amount of fresh oil into it. This will pre-lubricate the filter and minimize the risk of oil starvation during startup. After completing the oil change, it's essential to check for leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. A small leak can quickly lead to significant oil loss and potential engine damage. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Then, inspect the drain plug and oil filter for any signs of leaks. If you find a leak, tighten the drain plug or oil filter as needed. Following the manufacturer's recommended oil change interval is crucial for maintaining engine health. Delaying oil changes can lead to sludge buildup, increased wear, and reduced engine performance. Consult your owner's manual for the recommended oil change interval. Consider factors like driving conditions and vehicle usage when determining the appropriate interval. Regular oil changes are a small investment that can save you thousands in the long run. Don't let these common oil change mistakes cost you money and engine life. Now that you know what to avoid, you can perform oil changes with confidence. Subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and tricks. Leave a comment below sharing your own oil change experiences, and click the link in the description to download our free oil change checklist to ensure you never miss a step.